In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install add-ons in Google Slides. If you're looking to enhance the functionality of your slides, add-ons can be a great way to introduce new features and capabilities. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with this process. First, open up Google Slides. Once you're there, what you need to do is navigate to the menu at the top of the screen. Look out for the option labeled Extensions. This is your gateway to accessing all available add-ons for Google Slides. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Within this menu, locate and select the option that says Add-ons. You might notice another pop-up with various options, but your goal here is to initiate the process to discover new add-ons. Next, click on Get Add-ons. This will lead you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Consider this marketplace as the App Store for Google Workspace products, housing a plethora of tools that can extend the functionalities of Google apps like Slides. Here you can browse through different categories, or if you have a specific add-on in mind, feel free to use the search bar located at the top right corner. Type in the name of the add-on you're interested in and hit Enter. This search will return a list of add-ons matching your query. When you find an add-on that piques your interest, click on it. This opens up a detailed view of the add-on, providing a more comprehensive description, user reviews, and screenshots of what the add-on entails. Take a moment to read through this information to ensure it aligns with your needs. The ratings and reviews can also offer valuable insights into how effective and reliable the add-on is. If satisfied, click on the blue button in the upper right corner that says Install. A pop-up will appear for you to review the permissions that the add-on requires. Permissions usually pertain to access rights needed by the add-on to function properly, such as access to your documents or contacts. It's crucial to give this a thorough read to ensure you're comfortable with the permissions being requested. Once you've reviewed them, click on Continue. The next step involves selecting the Google account you wish to install the add-on for. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one tied to the slides you're customizing. You might see another prompt asking for permission. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and click Allow to proceed. After this, the installation will begin, and within moments, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that the add-on is installed and ready to use. To start using the new features, return to your Google Slides, refresh the page, and explore the new options available under the Add-ons section. And there you have it. You've successfully installed an add-on in Google Slides. Whether it's to introduce new templates, enhance collaboration, or streamline your workflow, the right add-on can make your presentations more impactful. Explore and experiment with various add-ons to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.